Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Lumkarbyang Urban Primary Health Center appreciates the first vaccinated elderly persons. Meghalaya Chief Minister inaugurated the new building of St. Andrews Secondary School at Wrecking. District Social Welfare Officer of West Jaintia Hills observes the International Day of Older Persons. And Jaintia Students Union expresses concern over pending work of Juwai Shillong NH44 and Amlarem Dauki NH44E. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday said that the government is gearing up to inaugurate 50 new projects in the state to mark Meghalaya's 50th year of statehood next year. Inaugurating the new building of St. Andrews Secondary School block at Wrecking in North Garo Hills, in the presence of Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira and MLAs Rupert Momin and Pongseng Marak, the Chief Minister informed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been invited by the state to witness the Statehood Day celebrations. He expressed his concerns over the poor pass percentage in secondary and high secondary level and said that the government is working with the stakeholders to ensure that educational standard is improved across the state. The District Social Welfare Officer of West Jaintia Hills District Juwai today observed the International Day of Older Persons at Ummulong Community Hall, where a large number of elderly persons took part. Speaking on the occasion, the District Social Welfare Officer said that the International Day of Older Persons is held every year to accord recognition to elderly persons for their contribution towards the society. Speaking on this year's theme, Digital Equity for All Age, he said, there is no age bar for elderly persons to acquire digital knowledge. She also informed that there are laws that punishes children who ill-treat their parents. On the other hand, Dr. S. Sumer, Medical and Health Officer, Ummulong CHC, urged the elderly person to visit the well center in their place to avail the various health services offered by them so that they can themselves be strong and healthy. Jaintia Students Union today expressed concern over pending work of the Juwai Shillong National Highway 44 and Amlarem Dauki National Highway 44E. In this connection, the JSU, under the leadership of General Secretary of JSU Shillong Circle, requests Pakma along with Eddie Kerry Potam, who is the President of JSU War Jaintia, met the Executive Engineer of Juwai Central Division National Highway 44 and National Highway 44 Extension, told him about the dilapidated condition of the National Highway, which puts the sick people in big hardship while travelling through this road. Lumkarbyang Urban Primary Health Center of Jaintia Hills today handed the gifts to 3 persons who were the first to take the vaccine. Observing the national program for healthcare for the elderly under the theme Digital Equity for All Ages as part of the celebration of International Day of Older Persons. Speaking on the occasion, Medical Officer Dr. R. Pasa said, the gifts given to these vaccinated persons are a token of appreciation for their willingness to come forward and become the first persons to be vaccinated in the area. While the President of St. Raj Juwai, O.R. Chalam, expressed gratitude to the state government for providing vaccination to the people of the state. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.